architecture and, in this case, geology, or architecture and human rights. It's always work that's sort of straddling different fields. This is a project we did with Professor Adam Malouf, who's a geologist at Princeton University. And he was doing field work in Australia, in southern Australia. This is Adam in the field. He was doing work in Australia when he came across what appeared to be fossil specimens that were encased in rock, in limestone. And what was really, really interesting to him at the time was that the limestone was 590 million years old. It was 90 million years older than the oldest known animal life. So the question for him became, are these fossils? And if they are they animal fossils? This is what they look like in the field. You kind of get these sectional characteristics that repeat. So these toruses and wishbone shapes. And geologists have a process for trying to reconstruct these in 3 dimensions, but it's very laborious. Normally, you'd use an X-ray CT to image an embedded object, just like you would of a CAT scan of the human body. So tissues and organs and bones can all be kind of imaged, right? The problem here is that the limestone and the fossil are almost the same density. So there's no density contrast. X-ray won't work. So you have to rely on other methods. And what geologists do, and what they've done for 100 years, over 100 years, is actually physically grind away layers of rock and trace individual sections. And they do that through each at some desired interval, after which you can reconstruct those in 3 dimensions, those sections. You can imagine how time-consuming that is. It's actually prohibitively time-consuming. So his postdoc was grinding and imaging fossil specimens for 2.5 weeks just to get through 2 inches of rock, and he was about to kind of shelve the project because it was just